Hello, my name's Mark Rosenfeld. I'm a DUI defense attorney in Los Angeles County. I practice exclusively in Los Angeles County and exclusively driving-related offenses, DUIs. I want to talk to you a little bit today about the DataMaster DMT breath testing machine. This machine is a relatively new machine that's being instituted by the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department throughout the County of Los Angeles. When dealing with the DataMaster DMT breath testing instrument, or any breath testing instrument in Los Angeles County, there are numerous factors that can create error and compromise the integrity of a breath test sample. If somebody is sick, if they have a fever, if they have diabetes, if they have GERD, those can all affect a breath testing sample, as well as environmental conditions such as chemicals in the area, radio frequency interference, all can introduce error and all can result in a false and inaccurate breath test result. When the DataMaster DMT machine was used, it's important to consider how the officer conducted their investigation and whether they complied with the proper rules and regulations in administering a proper breath test. There's a breath mouthpiece that needs to be used, and it should be a fresh, clean, uncontaminated mouthpiece in every case, in every sample. The mouthpiece needs to be inserted into a hose. Now, the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department and the deputies don't always get this right, and from time to time they will have subjects blow directly into the hose without the safeguards and sanitation of a mouthpiece. The breath hose itself is also another safeguard in the proper administration of a chemical breath test. This is not just a normal hose, it is a heated hose, and it is an integral component of the DataMaster machine, and the machine will not work properly if the hose is not in good repair and can cause problems in testing and in chemical test results. It's also important that the machine is properly programmed and run by the officers. If they don't enter the correct information, if they don't do the proper prep, then a breath test sample can be compromised, and it is possible to get breath test results excluded or thrown out in court when the officers didn't follow the proper procedures. When we take a look at these machines on the inside, we see that they're actually pretty complicated instruments that have to do a lot of different tasks in order to get a valid breath test result. And the whole process and procedure can have problems. When we look at it from the very beginning, where the breath sample is introduced, all the way throughout the system, we have to take a look and see whether the machine is functioning properly at every step of the way. Is the breath hose tube properly functioning? Is the sample chamber clean and properly accepting a sample? Are the mirrors inside clean and working properly? Is the infrared light source working properly? Is it generating the correct amount of energy? Are the filter wheels properly functioning? I've been trained on this particular machine. I understand it inside and out, and I know what to ask for and what to look for to find the problems. So this is the DataMaster DMT machine being used by the Los Angeles County Sheriff that's being installed in stations now, and that is how it works.